So this lace is super soft. It kind of feels like HD. The packaging doesn't say that it's HD, but I'll leave the details to the actual what type of lace this is down below. But it's super soft. This is the construction of the wig. It is a basic stock cap with let's see, 3 combs and an elastic band. This is a 5x5 closure. The knots on here are huge. Okay, oh, see, yeah, there we go. The knots on here are huge, so I am gonna have to go in and bleach this. But this is the hair texture. They call this a natural wave, but this is very curly out the package. But you cannot judge the hair texture out the package because you definitely want to wash it and determine if it is a natural wave or if it's a curlier texture. Because to me, natural waves are more loose and effortless without being curly, and this looks curly to me. So I am going to go ahead and bleach the knots on here, and then I am going to go ahead and customize the lace front and then apply it. This is going to be a simple installation with you guys. I am going to use boho liquid gold. This is my natural hair, and we're gonna do this kind of like vlog style because of the fact that I am in the process of moving. So I am in my new home, you guys. I'm in my new home. Say hi to my new kitchen. Like, ooh, new home. So I am gonna start doing other stuff on this channel, like decorating and organization and just more personal stuff on here. I want to be more personable with you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and customize this wig. Okay, so I'm gonna take my bowl and my tinting brush, and I'm just gonna put some bleach in here. Since this is a, what is this? A closure, we only need like half of this. Okay? I'm gonna do half of this and then half of 30 volume developer. And I'm gonna mix them both together to get the consistency that I need. Y'all, I thought I was recording. Okay, so I made my mixture a little bit on the runnier side, only because these knots are bigger and I wanted to penetrate the actual knots, right? So I made it a little bit runnier. If the knots were smaller, I wouldn't have done this, but if I do have any mistakes, I could easily go in and fix it with some hair color. It's not a big deal. So I am going to sit this on here and let it process for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So it should look something like this. And I usually flip it inside out, like that. And then I'll just let it sit and process. So I'll be back after it's been about 15-20 minutes. Okay, so to tone the knots, I'm going to use Vanilla No Yellow Purple Shampoo. You can order this off of Amazon. It is a very violet purple shampoo, so it's going to work super fast. So I'm also going to use this Aussie Blanks conditioner and shampoo. This is their avocado and jojoba oil. So shampoo, conditioner. Make sure you shampoo your wigs. Also, I don't know where my silicone mix is. I would definitely replace this with silicone mix, but this is somewhere packed up in boxes. I don't know what's at. So we're going to just use this. Okay, you guys. So, I'm gonna do a voiceover from this point on. What I'm about to do is very simple. I'm going to customize my 4x4. I think this is a 4x4. I'm not sure. I'll leave the specs down below in the description box for you guys. But my favorite tweezers to use are Revlons, and I usually order these from Amazon, and I usually order them in like 2 or 3 pairs because tweezers just disappear. I don't know where they go. But yeah, so I'm gonna take my tweezers and I'm gonna just pluck the front of the hairline. I do have a detailed video on how I do this, so if you guys are interested, I will definitely leave that down below in the description box for you guys. The closure came pre-plucked, but it wasn't as plucked as I would like it to be, so I just went in and did a little bit more plucking. You definitely want to move around. Do not stay in the same space or place when you are plucking because you will get a bald spot, so you definitely want to be careful when you're doing that. So right now, I'm just going to use my mousse, and I'm just going to like mold the front of the hairline to how I would want it, because doing this will make it easier for me to install my wig. And while I'm doing this, I'm also going to pull down baby hairs as well, just to have it sitting where I want it to sit. And it's easier this way for me because it'll be already molded down. And after I get the baby hair situated, I'm going to take my freeze spray, spray the hairline, wrap it down, put it under the dryer. And then it's time to install. So, you guys, okay, so this is the thing with the kitchen. The kitchen lighting is crazy. So, I apologize for not the best quality, you feel me? But it'll get there. You guys are going to see a new background when it comes to my workroom or my YouTube room, my hair room, whatever room. So, I'm trying the boho lace jelly. This is the first time I've ever tried it. So I used it to adhere my wig. This is just basically lace gel. You can use it for hair gel, whatever the case may be. It's hair safe. So I just put it all over the front of my hairline where the closure is going to sit, and on my stocking cap as well, because I wanted to really be adhered down to it. So I do use my blow dryer on warm to dry it down. I literally was blow drying my hair for a couple of minutes, and then I just go ahead and cut off the lace. So, and that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you, Eayon, for sending me this wig. If you guys are interested in this fluffy natural wave wig, then I'll leave that down below in the description box for you guys, so you guys could do your little research, you feel me? Because now, don't only take my word for it, just do your research on the particular brand. Look at other videos, because I'm pretty sure there's more videos on YouTube talking about this brand, talking about this specific wig, everything like that. So just do your research, girl, and you'll be fine, all right? But until next time, bye, you guys. On the beat.